Now the baby's on, like it's hard to see, but the baby's on one of the shepherd hooks, and the father's picking up a seed and breaking it and then feeding it to his baby on the shepherd hook. I'd like it if they landed on the windowsill again. Don't know if that'll happen. There's the baby. Oh, that's so sweet. That's so sweet. See if I can get it closer. It's digital, it's going to be blurry. He's asking his dad to feed him. Yeah, I've seen baby birds do this before. They shake their wings like they're shivering in anticipation of the food. That is so sweet. I've seen male cardinals feeding their young too. On the ground. This male was singing a little bit earlier while it was eating. Oh, wow. Underneath the wings of the baby, it's pinkish red. This is a real treat, being able to see this. I've never seen this before. Not with grosbeaks. The father has to break the shell off the sunflower seed and then feed the inside of the seed to the babies. That's why it takes so long. He doesn't know where his daddy went. Maybe he's feeding other birds back in the nest. Can't imagine there was only one baby. Maybe this is the only one flying. I can't imagine that's true either, though. He's pretty well developed. Okay, he's going to take off. Well, this is a real treat for me, too. There are two male rose-breasted grosbeaks here at the same time. One is eating sunflower seeds, and one has discovered the suet frame. And this all is happening at the same time. A male cardinal is down below on the ground. And there he is. Looks like they're getting a little territorial. Cardinals live here year-round. Looks like one of the grosbeaks is trying to scare off the male cardinal. The male cardinal likes this feeder because the perches are comfortable for his feet, and he hasn't had a chance to eat there, and he's being very polite, letting that other male eat there, but I think he'd like to go to the feeder. I have not seen him yet go to the feeder, but I know he has in the past. Two males at the same time. And they're both adult males, because the baby he was just feeding. And the babies look like their mom until about a year later, and then they either stay looking like their mom because they're females, or they develop into these beautiful black, red, and white birds that are males. That was real interesting. Okay, I'm finally hearing a red-bellied woodpecker, but I don't know where it is. They like sunflower seeds and suet. I don't know whether he's going to come in to see what he can find or not. No, I don't know where he is. He's still out there. There he is. He saw the suet. Doesn't know how to land on it. There he is. Can't tell from here if it's a male or a female. I think it's a female, but I'm not sure. All I'm getting is silhouette. And there's a hummer. Whoop, just flew away. I think the hummers are intimidated by the woodpeckers. Okay. She found the suet. Baby grosbeak's back. He's back on the windowsill. And his dad is preparing supper for him. It's just so charming. I wonder when he's going to introduce his baby to suet. Grosbeaks love suet. Okay, he's gone back to the okay. He's gone back to the shepherd's hook. It's just so sweet how and tender how the males feed their babies. I have no idea whether this baby's a girl baby or a boy baby because they look alike when they're this young. It's just so sweet. I came here on a good couple of days. I've seen some really fascinating things.